Since 2 3 days, we all are discussing on the topic that how much important money is. Some people say money is important. Some people say money is not important. Akansha, I feel that a person who's suffering from a disease, or a person who's sitting at a temple without food, without a family, without a house, for him or her, the first important thing is money. He cannot survive with the blessings that we give. He cannot survive with the positive thoughts that we'll give to his or her mind. At the particular moment, he does require money. So how can you say money is not everything?
Money is not everything because everything in the world cannot buy with money. For example, happiness or health.
I completely agree with your point that you cannot buy happiness from money, you cannot buy health from money, but definitely you can buy those things which can bring happiness in your life. You can buy those medicines which can take you to good health. Like, for example, if you require a new scooty and your father does not have that much money to buy that scooty, correct? So you won't be happy, because if you see your friend going by the scooty and you don't have a scooty at that time because your father does not have that much money. On the other hand, if your father has money and if he purchases a new scooty for you, so you'll be happy. So we bought happiness in the form of that scooty. So somehow the money bought that happiness, right? Similarly, if you have money, you can buy cashew, almond and protein shakes, different things. With that you can get good health. So money brought you health also. So how can you say that money cannot buy happiness or money cannot buy health? In the other way, indirect way, ultimately you bought that.
I agree, but sometime little amount happiness, not a long time.
You mean to say with money you can have the happiness for a little time, not for the long term. Okay. So what do you mean by long term happiness? Can you tell me that? What is a long term happiness?
You can buy a doctor, but not health. आप डॉक्टर तो पैसे से खरीद सकते हो, बट हेल्थ नहीं खरीद सकते ना, तो सर वो लॉन्ग टाइम के लिए नहीं है. विथ एक्सरसाइज एंड जो बाहर का खाना होता है उसको नहीं खा सकते, इसमें भी हेल्दी रहेंगे. और होममेड है और अच्छा अच्छा जो फूड है उसको ईट करें.
To eat अच्छा food and to eat घर का खाना, for that also you require money, correct? So ultimately money is important. If you have money, then only you'll go to the grocery shop, you'll buy flour, rice and different things, and then you'll cook it at home. So you need money for that also. And to be in a good health, you need to work out. So if you need to work out, you need to go to the gym, because if you go to the park, you will not get all the facilities in the park. So you will have to go to the gym. So to go to a particular gym or to join a particular gym, you require some amount, membership amount, then only you can go there. So ultimately again money came in picture. So money has come in picture again. Even if you want to be a long term happiness, so somewhere down the line you will be requiring money. So how can you say that money is not everything? I just want to ask you one question, that I'll take all the money from you, okay, from your home. You will not have a single rupee with you, ever. How will you be happy? Can you explain to me? You won't have a single rupee at home. You won't be able to pay your school fees. You won't be able to buy any clothes. You won't be able to go to watch the movies. You won't be able to do anything from the money, because you don't have money only, and you will never get any amount, any money. So now can you tell me, how will you be happy? What are your ways through which you can be happy even without the money?
भक्ति भी कर सकते हैं. भक्ति तपस्या एक ही में आ जाएगा.
करेक्ट. सो यू मीन टू से कि आप जब सारे पैसे ले लेंगे तो पैसा नहीं रहेगा, तो आप फिर तपस्या हिमालय में चले जाओगे, वहाँ जाके आप तपस्या करोगे. फिर क्या मतलब है लाइफ का? तो यू मीन टू से कि हमें से हर कोई पैसा को त्यागे, पैसा को छोड़े, क्योंकि मनी इज नॉट एवरीथिंग। तो पैसा को छोड़े, अपना अपना बैग बोरिया बिस्तर उठाए, सब के सब हिमालय चले, ऐसे थोड़ी
सर
सर्वाइव करने के लिए इफ यू वांट टू सर्वाइव इन द सोसाइटी यू नीड मनी, करेक्ट? सो मनी इज एवरीथिंग। मनी तो आ गया, हाउ कैन यू से मनी इज नॉट एवरीथिंग?
if money is everything in life, then hold your breath and count the money. At the end, life ख़त्म होने के बाद पैसा ही not मैटर नहीं करता.
Now you have got the point actually. I fully agree with you. After your life is finished, money doesn't matter. Even I say that. I agree that. I fully agree. कि एक बार आप मर गए तो पैसे की कोई कीमत नहीं है, जीते जी तो है. See, our discussion is not that is money everything after death. If the point would have been, अगर पॉइंट ये होता कि क्या मरने के बाद पैसा सब कुछ है, तो हम दोनों एक ही तरफ बैठे होते ये बोलते हुए कि पैसा कुछ नहीं है. अभी पॉइंट ये है कि क्या पैसा सब कुछ है जीते जी. पैसा पूरा जीवन नहीं है, बट उसका एक हिस्सा तो है और बहुत महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा है. जैसे शरीर का हाथ नहीं रहा, पैर नहीं रहा, कान आँख वगैरह नहीं रही तो भी चल जाएगा, हार्ट नहीं रहा तो चलेगा. तो इट्स जस्ट लाइक दैट. सो मनी इज जस्ट लाइक दैट. If you don't have a family, you can survive. If you don't have limbs, that is the different part of the body, you can survive. But if you don't have any single penny, how will you survive? At the max 2 days, 3 days, a week. After that, what will you do? How will you get food? And even if you'll beg somewhere, even if you'll ask to some people, give me some food, he will also buy it from somewhere through money. तो पैसे तो उसको भी ज़रूरत है ना भाई. आपको पैसे ज़रूरत नहीं है, आपको खाना मांग के मिल जा रहा है, लेकिन जो बंदा आपको खाना दे रहा है वो तो कहीं से खरीद के ला रहा है ना, तो पैसे तो वहाँ भी ज़रूरत है. सो अल्टीमेटली मनी इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट.